Hey there and welcome back for another Audi TT Mk1 video. Have you ever wondered how you can change the original 5-bar grille to the 3-bar facelift or V6 grille? Here's how you can upgrade the grille on your Audi TT Mk1 8N. Now there are a few types that you can find that'll fit into the original space, such as the honeycomb with emblem, 3-bar no emblem, honeycomb without emblem, apt center grille. I don't even know what this next version is, but it looks like a 5-bar chromed option. And then you've got these more exotic looking 8J-esque larger grille types. After all the work that's gotten me to this point on the Barnfine TT restoration project, I can start looking at aesthetic mods. So I have this genuine unopened 3-bar grille from Germany. The badge even has its own bag. First step is to install the rings into the grille. So you need to line up the locking tabs and push the emblem in, and making sure you can click the tab into place. Next is flipping the grille over, and you'll see a whole bunch of locking tabs on the top, bottom, and a couple on the sides of the grille as well. Now they look a little bit flimsy, but they're actually very strong, so don't be scared to use some pressure when installing it into the bumper. So next step, you need to grab your bumper. Definitely change your grille by removing the bumper first, as this is the safest way to remove it without damaging the bumper. You'll see in a second that if you don't remove the bumper, you'll probably damage it. Now here's a close look of the fitment of the original Audi TT 5-bar grille. This is where you need to use some force to remove the grille. It's locked in there pretty tight, and this is why you want to remove the bumper first to change grilles. Unless you flex the bumper and pry away at the tabs, you're pretty much guaranteed to damage your bumper. So take your time with bending the bumper and removing the locking sections. At first you'll find it'll click itself back in, but once you get a couple of them undone, it'll start loosening itself up. Once it's out, you're ready to install the 3-bar grille. Now, an interesting note is that the tabs are in slightly different locations, but it doesn't affect your fitment. You want to install this in a similar manner to the removal, where you'll want to initially flex the bumper a little bit to get the facelift grille in. And once that's done, sit back and admire your new 3-bar grille. As you've seen, all the mechanicals are in check, and I can reinstall the bumper to complete the front end of the restoration project. Now there are a couple of threaded studs on the sides of the bumper that you'll need to insert into the quarter panels. Line these up first before you push the bumper all the way home. They'll install via 2 small nuts inserted from inside the wheel arch. You'll see this as I zoom in a little bit closer, and there are the 2 threaded studs that will go into the wheel arch. While I'm here, I'm going to check the infamous wheel arch area, which tends to gather lots of dirt, rocks and leaves. And I'm really impressed that it's actually not too bad. Not forgetting the lower grills, which can also get a bit tatty. You can see mine have started to wear towards the edges where the base layer is coming through, and you can see some white. I've got this rattle can paint which has a matte black finish designed for the undercarriage. I figure it'll be tougher than regular enamel, as this is a highly exposed area which can often be exposed to lots of dirt, debris and also cleaning. I ended up going with 4 layers, making sure to spray from all directions to get rid of any of the white patches. And you can see that they've turned out great and nicely matched the upgraded facelift 3-bar grille's look. This completes the look of the front end of the Audi TT Mk1 Desert Green Pearl Roadster. Now all we need to do is give it a wash, and I'm thinking it'll scrub up quite nicely. Remember to like and subscribe for more Audi TT videos, and thanks for watching.